Hello everybody and welcome to the second video in this series. And in this tutorial I will show you how to write your first Hello World program in a generic file. And you may be wondering why I'm not going to use Xcode at first, and the reason is kind of obvious. Say that you take your code with you to a place where they have a C++ compiler, but they don't have an IDE from where to run your program. And that can happen when working remotely or on high performance clusters, and that is a very true story. So it is always good to note that this can be done in a generic way. So let's get started. Since I'm using a Mac, I will go to my Launchpad and type in the search box text edit. And open the program. Just make sure to go to the format menu and choose the make plain text option. Let's now type in the following. Now go to the File menu and choose the Save option and save the document in the folder of your choice. I will save the document in the desktop and name it test.cpp. Once you have done that, go to the Launchpad and open a terminal window. In the terminal, navigate to the folder where your script is. Mine is in the desktop, so I will type now type the following. And press enter. Be careful to write the instructions in this particular order, otherwise the program will not compile and will run. Notice that a new file A has appeared. And so to run the program in the same terminal, type ./a. As you expected, the hello world, it's a little bit complicated to see, the hello world phrase has appeared. Of course, this is quite messy, but I will show you how to make this more clear in the next video when I start using Xcode. And we can quickly, of course, dissect the program. Well, I hope that you enjoyed and learned from the tutorial. If it is the case, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.